Hello all, this is Tiara Latoi and I'm going to give you a tour of our stay here at Margaritaville in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. So we stayed at the Penthouse Suite, and this area right here is the common area where everybody who stays on the penthouse level is able to sit. There are 3 rooms located on the penthouse floor and we stayed in penthouse room 2. Here they have pictures of Jimmy Buffett playing in various locations, a fuse ball table. Here is Penthouse Suite number 3, where we stayed Penthouse Suite number 2, and Penthouse Suite number 1 at the end. You have to have a room key in order to get to this level, to this floor. So when you walk in, it's little wall art there, and there is a closet to your right. That is the connecting room door to the other penthouse suite room. The bathroom was very nice, big and spacious. Rain shower head, and it also had water features on the wall that actually hit the body as well. Little kitchenette area that had a dishwasher, Keurig with coffee that was refilled daily, little sink, microwave and refrigerator, and a margarita mixer. All you had to do was supply the alcohol, or if you didn't have any alcohol with you, you can speak to the desk and they will provide you with the drinks and the alcohol to go with it. So I stayed here with my mom, my sister, and my best friend. So this room was quite spacious for us. TV and fireplace. Because we went through during warmer weather, we did not utilize the fireplace. The best part of this room was our view. This view was amazing, and this is where we spent most of our time. We were able to see the island from here, everything about the island, the Ferris wheel. At night it looked even better. I highly recommend, if you're in this area, to stay in this tier room. It provided everything that we needed. We didn't really have to drive around. We walked mainly in that area. A lot of dining and different attractions to do. The balcony wrapped around the entire front, and on the other two penthouse rooms they were able to utilize the side of the balcony, but the Penthouse Suite 2 is what allowed you to have this view. We are on our way to the pool. Yeah. This is so cute. Oh wow. This little shops and stuff.
Oh, they got beef jerky. Oh, I love me some pepper beef jerky.
We're going to the pool. Pool's located on the 2nd floor. This hotel is really cute. Smells good. It's clean. Oh, the ice maker is far from the elevator. Oh, I don't like that. We should have brought it with us so we could have carried it on the way back, but we'll just have to walk back. We could send Jay. She young.
Of course y'all will send me.
Jay young. She like to walk.
Our pool closed later than the other stuff.
Can somebody else open that? Sorry.
Let's see if it works.
Yeah, I tried to. It's 11. Oh, cute. Oh, so cute. It's little. Alright, so we're gonna spin the wheel to determine what my drink is gonna be today. Oh, perfect margarita. I don't think I want a perfect margarita. Oh.
No, you gotta do it the boys' way.
That's so boring. Let's spin it again.
You're a cheater.
I am a cheater. Oh my God! Perfect margarita.
Oh wait, it went back. Oh.
Okay, Shark Tank it was the first time, so we'll go with Shark Tank. What will my drink today? Havanas and bananas.
Bananas and bananas.
What you getting, Mom?
I want the Bahama. Stop with Bahama Mama, okay? Stop.
What's a Shark Tank, Shauna?
No.
Tranquil waters.
Aw.
Ain't nothing tranquil about you.
Black.
It's too late now because he already made it. It's all right. So we got the 5 o'clock somewhere. Yeah. Let's see how this tastes.
And can we call out an album one night?
All right. So this is the 5 o'clock somewhere. Has a bunch of stuff in it. Don't know exactly what.
Oh, this is Margaritaville.
It's good.
Ready for another?
Oh, this is really good. This is really good.
It is good.
Can you pass me one too? Thanks.
Anything for you?
Just water.
He might have
Like he was
soda.
about- Do y'all have soda? Just soda?
Yeah.
You just want soda?
Coke, Sprite, Dr. Pepper.
Dr. Pepper.
We also do virgin drinks too.
Oh, they make version drinks. Where's your bag? We going over here. Huh? Oh shit. The pool is really small though.
Yeah.
But it's cool.
Let me see if this has something.
It's cool.
24 hours later.
So, day 2 in Pigeon Forge. We are eating at Cracker Barrel Old Country Store. Oh, we got a lot planned for today, so enjoy the show. All right, so it's party time. I got the Rocket Pop Mimosa. It's an icy in it. It's so cute. Fried apples, catfish, eggs, grits and gravy. I don't think Donna got pancakes. Fried apples,
Turkey sausage,
What's
and
that?
egg
Oh,
whites.
egg whites. Jade and pancakes, latte, eggs and sausage, eggs, hash brown, and biscuits. Alright, so breakfast is done. I guess it was alright. I'm pretty sure it was alright because my plate is clean. That mimosa was everything. Everything. So the next event is either to go to the Titanic Museum or we escape room. So we're just trying to figure out what our next stop is, and we'll be back. So we did go to the Titanic and we did the escape room, but unfortunately we could not record at either one of those. So now we decided to come to the Ole Smoky Moonshine taste testing. So we're at the Ole Smoky Tennessee Moonshine store where you can buy a wide range of moonshine, which I will show you later. But right now we are about to do a moonshine tasting where they let you try, I think it's like 4 to 5 different moonshines for the price of $5. So let's get started.
Are we good to go? Alright. Welcome to Ole Smoky. My name is Jax. I'll be taking care of you today. Can y'all hear me alright? Okay, I'll repeat myself if I need to. I only got one rule in the bar today. You absolutely cannot share your drinks. If I'm back to sharing, I gotta kick you off the bar. It's really not fun for either of us. And let's be honest, those cups aren't big enough. So pass on something. You just have to put your hand over your cup for me. I'll grab it and take you to Build-A-Bear. It's right next to you. Alright. Got the first one I have for you. These are pineapples. They're soaked in our 40 proof water. It's like it's coconut salt. If you don't mind for this, hold on to your cup for me so it doesn't fall over.
Alright, so our first sample is going to be pineapple moonshine. So this is pineapple soaked in 40 proof.
Yeah, it gets a little toxic. There you go.
That was good. Very good. So this is white, 100% proof. 100% proof that's been distilled 6 times.
The smoke came out.
Gosh.
Now don't worry, this next one here is your chaser, alright? This is watermelon, it's all...
Okay, that last one gave me hair, but this one is watermelon 40 proof. Oh, this is really good.
It really tastes like a watermelon Jolly Rancher.
It's really good.
This is punch punch. 80 proof.
Punch, 80
Kind of like Hawaiian punch with the kids. Or like Jungle Cruise.
So this is like, it kind of give you a NyQuil. Kind of feel like a fruit punch NyQuil. I don't really like this one. That last one I didn't like.
It tastes like medicine.
Yeah. What's the proof you said on this one?
60.
Okay. Salty caramel 60 proof. I did not like this one.
No, I got 2 more for you. I'm going to tell you real quick.
Yeah. We didn't even eat lunch inside the hotel.
This is key lime pie.
Okay, just making sure.
Tastes like my lantern. It tastes like my lantern.
Now I got just one last one.
I didn't like it. My lantern.
I got a medicine
It tastes like the lemon my lantern.
There's going to be
Thank you. Huh? Butter pecan.
This one is butter pecan.
It tastes like Bailey.
This one might be okay. I probably like the best one was watermelon. I think I'm gonna get that one.
Go on your alcoholic
So we're gonna go and look and see what
That was good. It tastes like
which one we're gonna get today. So I think I'm gonna go with this one, the sour watermelon. And these are, I believe she said, these are $27 a jar. And if you buy 6 jars, you get one free. So you get 6 jars for the price of one. That was the watermelon, right? 6 jars, sorry, 6 jars for the price of 5. I said 1. Do not have me.
The moonshine kicking in already.
Yeah, that moonshine is definitely kicking in.
Which one?
So sour
This is the
raspberry,
watermelon. Yeah.
appleberry. Oh god.
We all getting something to
We got apple pie, margarita,
It was.
punch punch, blackberry. Key lime pie tasted like my Lanta. I don't know if I would go with any of the milky ones. It kind of was just a little too much for me. They have pickles soaked in the alcohol, and the pineapple ones I might get. I think I'm gonna go with the pineapples and the pineapples and the cherries.
Yeah.
Besides the moonshine, they sell a lot of different things. They got s'more kits, they got hot sauce, little wood magnets, t-shirts. Oh, and then they actually have the distillery in here. That's pretty cool. There's some more t-shirts over here. They have socks. More t-shirts. Of course, shot glasses, which I might need. This is pretty.
Oh, that's cute.
Doesn't have a price on it. Oh, a little red cut shot glass. These are $5. Oh, I'm definitely gonna have to get a shot glass. This is cute. This is $8. Oh, look at the mason jar shot glass.
Oh. How much is that one?
$8.
I might get one.
Water bottles, backpacks, hoodies. Just a whole bunch of stuff. Oh, they got candles, hats. It's a nice little place. So we are heading out of the store. I did purchase me some moonshine. I got the watermelon flavor and also got a shot glass to go with it. So now I'm just waiting for my fam, and we're just gonna walk around the island and see what we're gonna get into next, which I'm mostly sure it will be the Ferris wheel. Thank you all for watching. We had an amazing time here at Pigeon Forge. This is my very first YouTube video, and I want to thank everyone who took the time to watch. Stay tuned because we have tons more video in store for you all. Thanks. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.